Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Alaa Almelawi, student in King Abdulaziz University, Department of Biomedical Engineering. In this presentation, I will talk about the infusion pump device, and I want to explain how the device works, and I talk about the instrumentation of this device and the technical specifications. This is course outline. What is the infusion pump? Applications of the infusion pump, types of infusion pump, instrumentation, technical specifications. Infusion pump. Infusion pump is a medical device that transfers fluids such as nutrients and medication, insulin, antibiotics, chemotherapy, drugs into a patient's body. Infusion pumps are widely used in hospitals and nursing homes. The infusion pump is operated by a trained person who programmed the required amount and the duration of fluid delivery. Infusion pump offers significant advantages over manual fluid administration, including the ability to deliver fluids in very small quantities and the ability to deliver fluids at specified intervals. Applications of infusion pump. An infusion pump is useful during and after surgery. The intravenous nutrient supply is allowed for pediatric patients to grow and survive. It is also useful in providing anesthesia during surgery, chemotherapy for cancer patients, and oxytocin for induction of labor. Types of infusion pump. There are many types of infusion pumps, but the most common are, according to the infusion pump, according to the function of the infusion pump, we have specialty pumps, traditional pumps. According to the infusion pump's mobility, I have syringe pumps and LVB. According to the capacity of the pump to deliver the volume of liquid, we have ambulatory pumps and stationary pumps. Instrumentation. We have six basic units in infusion pump: power supply units, detector unit, motor unit, control unit, alarm unit, and display unit. Power supply unit. The power supply can be thought AC or DC supply. Detector unit consists of sensor like sensor, pressure sensor, bubble sensor, etc. Motor unit can be pumping units such as peristaltic pump, syringe pump, osmotic pump, etc. And control unit. Control unit made up of processing, controlling, analyzing, recording, and storing units. And we have alarm unit and display unit. The general working principle of the infusion pump. When the signal is received from the control unit, the pump is activated. Thus, the energized pump pumps or draws fluid from the reservoir into the patient. The reservoir can be an IV bag, bottle, syringe, etc. If there is any malfunction in the pumping process, the doctors will send the message to the control unit. The console will report this. We have here some technical specifications. For example, on channel at least capable of accepting any kind of fluids. When multiple channel automatic big backing, free flow protection, air trapping, etc. And we have here alarms, ensembles, accessories, spare parts, portability, power supply, and we have regulatory approval, standards for product, and warranty. Handling of the infusion pump. We have some instruction for how we can use infusion pump, or how we can save the infusion pump. The infusion pump must be handled properly. Here are a few things we need to pay attention while dealing with long lines. Place the device on a stable surface. Do not place the device near a water source. Use an appropriate power source. Do not use the device near a strong electromagnetic field source. Keep the device away from high-frequency surgical equipment. If batteries are damaged, dispose of them properly. properly, avoid direct sunlight, vibration, and shock. Conclusion. I have a study for one of sites. It's mentioned. Infusion pump has been a source of multiple patient safety concerns, and the problems with such pumps have been linked to more than 56,000 adverse event reports from 2005 to 2009, including at least 50 deaths as a result of the US Food and Drug Administration (FDA) has launched a comprehensive initiative to improve their safety called the Infusion Pump Improvement Initiative. Thank you for watching, and I hope I can explain the infusion pump. Thank you.